It is Monday, December 11th, and I'm all 16 days. It's 2 weeks from today, you guys. Woof! It was a bit of a panic when I heard that this morning. Anyway, so I'm giving you quick gifts that you don't have to do anything but pick them up and wrap them and give them. So these are not the kind that you need. This is the notions and the bits and pieces that you need to make your knitting easy. So first of all, this is such a beautiful presentation. This is from Firefly Notes, and these are all stitch markers. So it's an advent calendar, and I realize we're already down to here, but how fun. They could open those all up at once. They're going to get 25 beautiful stitch markers. Their stitch markers are gorgeous, and they're usually metallic, and it would be a surprise to have 25 different ones. So this is $78 in this beautiful box, and you open each door and there's a stitch marker right there. So I recommend that for all your knitting friends. Then if you're knitting a sweater and you want to try it on and you need to put all those stitches on a holder, these pearl strings are awesome. It's a silicone cord that has a hole in the end, and you stick your needle in that hole and you slide all the stitches off your needle onto that string, and it works perfectly. You try your sweater on, then you put it back, and then you put the needle back in the other hole and you pull it through the other way. Bingo, done. Let's talk about some Coco Knits. This is a maker's wrist magnet, right? So all of her stitch markers are metallic. Your needle, your darning needle, if you're a seamstress, your pins, whatever it is, sticks to this with this great slap bracelet. So anyway, these are great. This is the maker's wristband. Then we have the flight of stitch markers. Her stitch markers are all great. They're all multicolored, and they're all in different shapes. So this is a sampling of all of them. I think there are 24 in each. Yes, there's 24 in each one. So these are a triangle. This is the tiny one that goes up to a size 7. This is for the jumbo needles. This is an open marker, which is great for crocheters. Or to mark the right or wrong side of your work. And then this is the kind of general medium size. Great. This is $28. Super gift for your knitting person. Also, these little calabash opening pins. They open, they don't get caught, but they do open and close. I'm sure you've seen them. There are 45, I think, 40 or 45 in a little container for $4.95. So this is great. Did I tell you how much this was? $25 for the maker's band. All right. And then the pearl strings is $19.95. Now, last but not least, we have this very cool little new design, and it's like a little lazy Susan that spins around. And we have filled it with these cute silicone stitch markers on top. So I want to show you what each one is. We have a little Christmas selection. This is how they work. They have a hole on the end, and you stick your needle in it, and it's a stitch stopper. It's great. So we have the Christmas themes are the Christmas tree. We have the Santa. We have the cocoa, cup of cocoa. Of course, the holly leaves. I have these. And a cup of hot chocolate. Pretty darn cute. Then our foods are coffee in turquoise and pink. Coffee cup. We have an orange. We have an avocado. We have an Oreo cookie. We have a donut, sprinkled donut. We have a piece of watermelon and a slice of pizza. So cute. You can mix and match. 2 stitch markers, our point guards are $11 for 2, okay? And then last but not least, well, no, not last yet. So these are all critters. We have the llama in turquoise or white. Nice. We have an owl. I love this owl. He's very cute. We have a fox. And we have a chicken. Love a chicken. Then in our miscellaneous, we have daisies, red and yellow, and a rainbow. So, great selections. Remember, 2 for $11. I think I told you the prices of everything else. I think that just about covers it. Tomorrow is Tuesday. There's social knitting in the morning, and Ray has her knit along. So it'll be a busy time tomorrow. It's all good. Lots of people shopping, coming in. We've got all the fox pom-poms. We got Rasta. You can make that quick quit hat. We've got bags. Life is good. We're busy. You can still get the Christmas on Connecticut sweet bag with the face of the sheep on the front under the Connecticut sign with the Bella Filati embroidered on the back. That's $100. However, inside, 4 $20 bounce backs to use in December, January, February, March. So you're getting $80 back, and you're getting the Santa stitch markers and some stickers. What? It's perfect. All right, I think that's enough. I'll chat with you tomorrow.